Welcome to 2-minute short and crisp algo trade training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description section of this video to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to pull details of a specific order from your trading terminal. So in the earlier episodes, we have seen how to pull all the order details, like it will give you a dump of all the orders that you have placed so far. But in this episode, we are going to learn how to filter it out and pick just one order from that particular list of orders. So this is the code that we have used in the earlier episode. So I'm just going to modify just one part of this particular code. Okay, so first I'm uncommenting this particular lines of code, and I'm going to run it to pull details of all the orders. Okay, and I'm also placing one fresh order now. So I'm commenting the order placing script now, and I'm again pulling the data to make sure we get the last placed order as well. Sorry, this is not necessary. I accidentally did it, but yeah, it's all right. So now you have all the orders that was placed today, and recently we have placed one order which is in open status, that is also visible here. Now what we have to go do is, like, we need to pick up this order ID, and I'm copying this order ID from the response. And actually I just have to copy this code as well. So let me copy this code and paste it again, and now I'm actually copying the order ID from the response that we received earlier. And in the same line of code, right, you can add another attribute. Okay, so I'm passing the attribute order ID, and I'm going to paste this particular order ID in there. So if I do this, now in the order details response, I'll get only order details for this specific order ID. Okay, not all of it. Okay, so let's run it. And if you see the response now, there are two responses that are printed. So first one is details of all the orders that we have placed. So it is running into too many lines here. So if you load see, right, so it's going on and on and on. But the second response ends a lot earlier. Okay, so that has only the order details of one specific order ID. So I'm just going to copy it, and I'm just pasting it here. So if you look at the response, right, so it is just a response for one single order that we have placed earlier today. Okay, so we placed at the start of this episode, right? So only that order details we have it here, and the order status is also in open because we just placed that order, and it's all for price of 510, right, and order quantity 1, and it's on SBIN. Okay, so this is how you need to pull the order details of one specific order ID. Okay. So if you have any queries, comments, or feedback about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. I'll be happy to address it. Also, if you find these episodes useful, hit the like and subscribe button, and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.